Another food recall, guys, and this comes in the form of frozen food. If you've been to Costco, you've been to Walmart, or you've been to HEB buying your frozen food and sticking that in your freezer, you got to check this out because we got potential hepatitis A exposure, which you don't want to mess with. This stuff can impact your liver, can be serious. So we've already checked our freezers. I'm going to show you where you can find this, all the states, all the details, and then you can check this out for yourself and hopefully keep you out of a potential very sick situation and going to the hospital. Anyway, go to fda.gov. So fda.gov. And what you do is you come up right up here on the top, menu right here, click this guy, and then it's going to pull up over here to the left. I'll get out of the way so you can see this. So right above my head, it says recalls, market withdrawals, and safety alerts. So click on that. It's going to bring up all this down here. So you want to scroll down a little bit further, and then you're going to start seeing all the recalls in here. So you can check these other ones in here as well. But I saw it seemed like the most serious one is just recent, and it's by Great Value. Right here, it's highlighted. Great Value and Raider Farms. So frozen strawberries, frozen fruit blends, and the foodborne illness, what I mentioned, hepatitis A, potential contamination. The company is Willamette Valley Fruit Company. So all you have to do is they give you all the details. This is laid out very nicely. Click on Great Value and Raider Farms. It gives you everything on the details right up here. I'm not going to read through all this, but smoothie blends, all kind of stuff in here. Shows you when they announced it just recently on June 12th. And then it goes through all the details down here. It talks about what hepatitis A is. It's a contagious liver disease that results from exposure into the hepatitis A virus, including from food, can range from mild illness lasting a few weeks to serious illness lasting several months. Generally, it starts within 15 to 50 days of exposure, includes fatigue, abdominal pain, jaundice, abnormal liver test, dark urine, pale stool, all that, and can be really serious in rare conditions. So you want to check it out. So here's where it was distributed. Right here, it gives it all to you. I'm not going to go through every single state, but it literally lays it out right here for you. And you'll see, like up here in Ohio is where we are, Arkansas, Arizona, California, pretty much a ton of states. So check it out. So that's Walmart. And then Costco, also distributed in Costco. A lot of you guys shop there. Raider Farms Organic Fresh Start Smoothie Blend, distributed at Costco wholesale stores in Colorado, Texas, California, Arizona. And it gives you the dates. This goes all the way back to October 23rd, 2022 to current June 8th of this year. And also just another reminder, in Walmart, the brand name is Great Value. So Great Value is the brand there, and that started January 24th of this year through current present day pretty much. And then HEB stores, which I'm not familiar with, but it looks like it's down in Texas, which is distributed there. Raider Farms Organic Berry Trio. So you want to come in there, and if you keep scrolling down, it actually gives you pictures of all of this. It gives you the lot numbers that you can check on the actual packages, the best buy dates right here. So it gives all that in here. It's very nicely laid out in here. But if you scroll down farther, here you go. You get into the pictures of what this stuff looks like. Don't just rely on it specifically, but check the lot numbers and all that. It gives you actually the best buy date or best if used by dates on here. I think this is the lot number 2 right there, but don't quote me on that one. Here's the Great Value mixed fruit package. Gives you the dates. Great Value antioxidant fruit blend package. All that in here. And here's the Raider Farms from Costco. So that's what their package blend looks like for the berry trio on that. And then you also have the Fresh Start Raider Farms organic smoothies here. So really nice website, lays it all out. Remember, you can sign up for alerts on this site as well. If you go under menu, and then here it is. So right here, sign up to receive alerts, withdrawal, or market withdrawals and safety alerts. You can get this right to your phone via texting, or you can get it via email. Found out about it. We checked our freezer. Fortunately, nothing in Ohio that was exposed to that. We had some other stuff that looked a lot like it, but not that. So definitely check that out. And the other thing, we're not only trying to keep you out of the hospital from potential serious illness like this with these recall notices, but also we're striving to give away over $2 million to random subscribers. If you subscribe to the channel, come to our channel, pursuingthebest.com. click on enter the giveaway right here. Click on that, put in your data, and also make sure a requirement is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our Rumble channel's out there as well. And every single video that you watch and make a comment on, you actually get an extra entry into the giveaway. And then lastly, our company, Wilkins Wealth Management Group, our separate company that we have, is sponsoring this channel. If you come scroll down a little bit on the homepage, if you want a complimentary financial consult, bring us on to your financial board of directors, if you will, for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and we can actually see if we can make your financial planning life even better. No guarantees, but worth a second opinion if you want to hear what we have to say and what we think about your situation. We've been doing it over 30 years. I'm a certified financial planner practitioner. I've been doing that a while. So we appreciate you joining on. Till the next video, remember, if you're down, struggling with God, anything is possible. See you on the next video. Thanks.